You got a book in your hand. That's smart.
Yeah, I'm trying to read a book. And y'all trying to call me over here.
That's all right. You can do both. You can do all of that and more. You want it so bad.
I want to
And I'll probably get the question wrong too.
What's your name? Karan. Come on. Arts and entertainment. Wow, we finally got it, huh?
Can I answer the phone?
Okay, Karan, you answering it?
I don't know. I got
You're gonna try. You want easy, medium, or difficult?
medium.
Medium. Okay.
Beyonce.
All right, here's one. The first black member of the Metropolitan Opera.
Obama.
The first black member of, and if you don't know the answer, let's try to make sure the answer is at least connected to the question. Okay. We're talking about the Metropolitan Opera. What is the opera? What do people do when they? So, and this actually just happened right here in New York.